Let's get you news from back home now. As the standoff between the Haryana government and controversial godman Rampal in Hisar continues, some of his supporters who were in the ashram have claimed they were not being allowed to leave. Rampal and his followers apparently told them not to speak to the media either. The followers had formed a cordon, remember, around the ashram which prevented the police from taking any action. Rampal was meant to have presented himself before the Punjab and Haryana High Court yesterday. The police are now adopting a wait-and-watch policy, hoping that their move of cutting off water and electricity will eventually force the devotees to leave.
निकलने नहीं दे, कह रहे हैं अभी और रुको आज दोपहर तक हो जाएगा, कल हो जाएगा। मैंने कोई लिमिट भी है? कितने दिन हो गए?
ये कह रहे हैं हम छुड़वा देंगे, आप जाइए मत, इधर ही रहिए, कल छुड़वा देंगे। वहाँ पुलिस वाले मार रहे हैं, पीट रहे हैं। मैंने पुलिस वालों के हाथ जोड़ लेंगे, हम पाँव पकड़ लेंगे, और क्या करें।
बोला मीडिया को ये कुछ मत बताना कि मतलब लोग रोक रहे हैं। मैंने कि हमें कुछ नहीं, हमें जाना है, रुकना नहीं है कहीं। हम मरे जा रहे हैं, हमारे बच्चे परेशान है।
All right, well, let's go across to the ashram where Siddharth Pandey joined us. Siddharth, it seems the police's strategy is working and many of the devotees are leaving. Also, where is the godman now?
Well, he's supposed to be actually inside his ashram. Yesterday, the ashram authorities told us that he's not there. But I don't think really anyone is buying that story. And the reason for that is, of course, is the heavy police deployment. You can just see them. Everyone's been moved back now by at least 700 meters or so. This is the last cordon where everyone's been pushed back to, I mean, the press at least anyway. And in fact, as far as the locals are concerned, that all of them now hoping that the situation is resolved quickly because they haven't been able to come back to their homes or even go and tend to their fields. And so the police right now just hoping that the trickle turns into a steady flow of people coming out. They've been hoping that the devotees would see that this is futile, what they are trying to do for since almost now the 10th and 11th of November. They've been literally sitting out there outside the ashram. And what we are being told by each and every person who comes out now is that the water supply is running low. They have apparently some kind of a tube well inside, but that's getting brackish water. And that's something that's obviously not going down well. The fact that electricity has been cut off, food also, we are told, is perhaps running low. So all these factors really weighing in now. The police are hoping that perhaps throughout the day, many more people, many of those people who've been out there forming this human shield will break away and start heading homewards. And then perhaps the police can try and think of some sort of action. They'd moved in large numbers yesterday, and you can just see even now they have literally surrounded the ashram from all sides. Even the fields have all been blocked off. So they are hoping that once a sizable number of devotees have moved out, then perhaps they can try and mount some kind of operation. But they're still hoping that better sense will prevail and that Rampal will come out and surrender. That, of course, is what the police is hoping. But they're still keeping their forces ready in case they need to go ahead and finally storm the place with force.